Multiplication of integers. Before understanding multiplication of integers, let's first understand what is multiplication. Consider the addition 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It gives result 12. Here 3 is added 4 times. Instead of adding 3 4 times, we can multiply 4 and 3. So 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12. It helps to reduce the number of calculations and gives the same result.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
In this video, we will learn multiplication of integers. Here are some rules that you should follow while multiplying the integers. Rule number 1. Multiplication of two positive integers. While multiplying two positive integers, we multiply them without considering the sign and put a positive sign before the product. For example, 8 multiplied by 4 is equals to 32. 3 multiplied by 6 is equals to 18. 7 multiplied by 8 is equals to 56. Rule number 2. Multiplication of two negative integers. While multiplying two negative integers, we multiply them without considering the sign and put a positive sign before the product. For example, minus 8 multiplied by minus 4 is equals to 32. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 6 is equals to 18. Minus 7 multiplied by minus 8 is equals to 56. So the multiplication of two integers with same sign is always positive integer. Rule number 3. Multiplication of a positive integer and a negative integer. While multiplying a positive integer and a negative integer, we multiply them without considering the sign and put a minus sign before the product. For example, minus 8 multiplied by 4 is equals to minus 32.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Three multiplied by minus 6 is equals to minus 18. Minus 7 multiplied by 8 is equals to minus 56. So, the multiplication of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative integer. You can remember these results by remembering product of 2 plus is plus, product of 2 minus is plus, and product of 1 plus and 1 minus is minus. Rule number 4. Multiplication of a 3 or more integers. While multiplying 3 or more integer, we multiply the integers without considering their sign. If the number of negative integers in the given problem are odd, then we give negative sign to the product. For example, 3 into minus 2 into 5 is equals to minus 3 into 2 into 5, which is equals to minus 6 into 5, which is equals to minus 30. But if the number of negative integers in the given problem are even, then give positive sign to the product. For example, 3 into minus 2 into minus 5 is equals to plus 3 into 2 into 5, which is equals to plus 6 into 5, which is plus 30, or simply 30.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example, multiply -14 into -1 into -3. The given multiplication can be written as product of integers without sign. The number of negative integers are 3. 3 is odd, so give negative sign to the product. Solving this gives -42. Example, multiply -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into -1. The given multiplication can be written as product of integers without sign. Count the number of negative integers. These are 6. 6 is even, so give positive sign to the product. Solving this gives result +1. In general, if -1 is repeated even number of times, then the answer of such multiplication is +1. And if it is repeated odd number of times, then the result is always -1. Next example. In a class test, +4 marks are given for every correct answer and -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and no marks are given for not attempting any question. A student attempted 21 questions correctly and 4 questions incorrectly. Find the total score of the student. Let's first understand the question. In the class test, student will get +4 marks if the answer is correct and -2 marks if the answer is incorrect.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
There is 0 mark for not attempting any question. A student attempted 21 questions correctly and 4 questions incorrectly. We have to find the total score of the student. Interesting question, isn't it? Let's solve this problem. The total score will be sum of marks obtained from all correct answers, marks obtained from all wrong answers, marks from not attempting the questions. Marks from all correct answers is equals to number of correct answers multiplied by marks for each correct answer. Similarly, marks for all incorrect answers is equals to number of incorrect answers multiplied by marks for each incorrect answer. Marks from not attempting the questions is equals to number of questions not attempted multiplied by marks for each not attempted question. We don't know number of not attempted questions. However, we know marks for each not attempted question, that is 0. And 0 multiplied by any number is always 0.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
So total score is equals to 84 plus -8 plus 0, which is equals to 84 plus -8. For this addition, we subtract smaller number without considering sign from the bigger number without considering sign. Then we give the sign of bigger integer to the result. Thus, the student scored +76 marks in the class test. So I hope you understood the explained topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.